Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Today's video is for anyone who aspires to become or is considering becoming a data scientist, or for anyone who just simply wants to explore the world of data science. In this video, I will provide you with resources to get started, provide insights on which degrees are the most common, and what paths those choices can open up for you, as well as certifications and what you should consider when beginning your journey. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you found this video to be enjoyable or helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. With the data-savvy world that we live in, it's no surprise that data science is said to be the sexiest job of the 21st century and a highly sought-after career option. Data scientists work in all kinds of sectors like businesses, government institutions, as well as nonprofit organizations, etc., etc. Everyone has big data that must be processed to get answers to a wide variety of questions. So what is a data scientist? A data scientist is a professional who studies big data and comes up with answers to the organization's questions. These answers are then used to create a marketing strategy or to figure out the pain points of customers. The possibilities are endless. Data scientists require programming and mathematics knowledge. So at the start of your journey, you really need to ask yourself, is data science for you? Before you spend countless hours learning how to become a data scientist, it's wise to make sure that this is a profession that's suited for you. The internet is the best place to find many preliminary data science courses, and these courses will give you a clear insight about what you will learn and what you will achieve by engaging in this career path. A couple of resources you can look into to start your journey would be the Data Science Course 2021, Complete Data Science Bootcamp, that was put together by the 365 Careers team on Udemy. Forbes also compiled a list of the 9 best free online data science courses in 2020. Of course, I'm going to provide a link to these resources in the description down below so that you can check them out after you finish watching this video. Now that you feel like this is the right path for you and you've done some online courses and you're feeling good about it, it's time for you to go get a degree. We would recommend getting a bachelor degree or higher. And a good list of study fields that will help you on your path to becoming a data scientist includes statistics, mathematics, applied mathematics, data management, computer science, information technology, economics, and physics. If you want to speed things up, boot camps are a great option. Also, massive open online courses, or MOOCs, permit unlimited participation and open access to learning resources on the internet. These courses are offered by MIT, Harvard, and other reputed institutes from all over the world. When beginning your journey, it's also good to figure out your interest area. Because data science is a very extensive branch of general studies, there are many ways to get to this career. Most data scientists begin their journey from undergraduate level in mathematics, computer science, and statistics, etc., etc. With those degrees, you can get hired for jobs like management analyst, data visualization specialist, or market research analyst. But for roles like machine learning or data engineering, you'll need a master's degree. A doctorate degree can get you concentrations like enterprise science analytics or business solutions. Now let's talk about certifications. These are an essential on your resume, especially for someone in the IT sector. Certification really drives your chances of upgrading your existing skills and gaining better job opportunities. There are many certifications available in data science. Some of the leading courses are Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert, Harvard Extension School's Data Science Certificate, Certified Analytics Professional, Columbia University's Data Science for Executives, etc., etc. On your path to becoming a data scientist, you should share your projects with others. Engaging with fellow data scientists is a good start. Quora and Kaggle are great online communities. Find people that you can learn with to enhance your profile and find opportunities. This will also reinforce your knowledge by learning from others and build a network. Also, by associating with people in the career path that you want, it also opens up the opportunity that they might know a position that's available to you. And of course, the very last step to becoming a data scientist in 2021 is getting the job. This is where your learning journey ends and your practical approach to all of the skills you've learned begins. Data science is a very dynamic field, so you will find several specialized roles that you can go for. You should find an area that interests you. The field of information technology and data science is constantly evolving. There are always more options than last year, and yet another industry that requires data scientists. So there you have it. We've discussed the pathway to starting your journey as a data scientist. As always, if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.